So today we're gonna add an awning. We're here on the beach camping, and this is what I've been using for the past year. It's basically a cheap tarp. I believe this was like $8 in Walmart. It's the heavy duty blah blah blah, and then two sticks. These are from a canopy tent. I just found a broken canopy tent and took these two sticks because I figured I could use them for an awning. So, and I need a shower in this case because we need to tie it down somewhere. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And first of all, you need 2 points. One point is going to be this, and this hook to attach the awning to, and that's it. So you need to figure out that anchor points on your van, so you can attach the roof rails, or in my case I always do the solar panel. I measure the distance, the length of the tarp, and use simple hooks, and it takes seconds to attach it. And then comes the hard part, figuring where to attach the ropes and tie down. Normally in forest you can have a tree, you can use regular tie down sticks that you can buy everywhere, but they're small and they're not gonna work here on the beach. So I'm gonna use a stick and bury it in the sand. If you have a dog, make sure he doesn't dig it out. Dogs love sticks. And you basically dig holes in the ground and put the sticks in the holes. So here's another rope with a stick, and it's time to start digging. It's not that hard to dig a hole, and then you just drop the stick in and cover it with the sand, and it should stay there. You either dig a deeper hole or you use a bigger stick, but it's pretty simple. So then you dig the second one and attach the poles. If it's not windy, you usually attach the poles first and then tie down, but it's pretty windy on the beach, so it is how it is. Attach one pole, second pole, and you're pretty much done. Just small adjustments, and the points where you attach you can fix with the same hooks. So obviously for the video it came out a bit rushed, and I did not straighten this enough. This one's fine. You don't want it perfectly straight, you want it a little back so it has like a point. And that's about it. I use a smaller tarp just to lay out some floor. Here's the view with everything set up with the floor, awning. That's it for this video on how to set up extremely cheap awning. It has held up well for the past year. It folds up and stays in the van, so it's stealthy. If your questions, go in the comments. Thank you for watching. Click like, thumbs up, it's free.